Hi, I'm Oskar van Deventer and this is the Inka Miniburr. I made the Inka Miniburr for Edwin Ladronde from Cusco, who really likes this shape that has some meaning from the Inca culture. And you had already seen my previous larger versions with many pieces, 99 to be precise, and here we have a plastic and a, well, sort of 3D printed wooden version. But the smaller one, it's much easier. It has only 9 pieces or so, and it's much easier to solve, to 3D print. So let me show you the solution. You pull up one of these pieces, then this one goes out at the side. Then we do the same thing at the other side. Move the pieces out, and yeah, then quickly everything starts coming apart. And there we have the puzzle. And let's count the pieces. We have indeed 9 inner pieces, and then we have the additional 4 pieces at the outside. So this puzzle is much more easy to solve than the original Inka burr that I showed you before. And my question to you is, which version do you prefer? The larger hard one or the easier small one? Thank you for watching.